Today I will introduce the installation process of a macro microscope to you. These following components are required. First, we install the height regulator on the adjustment plate. There are two height regulators in total, which divided into left and right sides. When installing the height regulator, the screw hole at the bottom faces the outside. The trapezoidal plate at the top faces the inside. The specific location of the installation is shown in the picture. When installing the height regulator, we use 4 M4 screws. After tightening, next we install the scroll wheel. The specific position of the scroll wheel installation is shown in the picture. When installing the scroll wheel, first of all, we have to make sure that the rollers rotate normally without resistance. Use 2 M6 screws to secure both sides of the roller. After tightening the screws, next we install the body retainer. The body retainer is divided into two parts. Part of the base, part of the adjustment height and angle. We tighten the base of the lower half with M6 screws. You can see the top half height adjuster. We can adjust it with the screws on the base. Depending on the specific location of the mouse, adjust the height of the body fixator to ensure that the mice can move normally. After installing the body retainer, next we install the arrow plate. The arrow plate is a retainer for holding the mouse head retainer. We use 2 M5 hand screws. The position of the arrow plate can be adjusted flexibly, according to the position of the head fixing plate and the size of the mouse. Make sure the mouse is at the highest point of the roller. We can also use an empty head fixing plate. After adjusting the position of the arrow plate, it is convenient to quickly install mouse on the device in the next experiment. The second step is to install the microscope body. First of all, we need to install the struts on the black substrate. When installing the pillar, it should be installed in the middle of the machine board. 4 M6 screws are required to fix it. After the screws are tightened, next we can install the microscope lens. Screw the lens on the lens body. Cover with a white protective cover. Secure the protective cover with screws. The next step is to attach the strut to the mirror body. There are 2 screws on the inside of the coarse quasi-focus, and there is a card slot that can fit with the card slot on the mirror body. The card slot on the mirror body is connected with the card slot on the inner side of the alignment glue, and tighten with screws. After the microscope is installed, the animal will be demonstrated on the machine. We took a mouse that had been injected with the virus onboard demo. Observe the changes of virus in mouse cortex. If the mouse position is not suitable, it can be adjusted in time. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.